I'm Jay Morrell, and the name of our restaurant is Earley's Kitchen. I previously owned a restaurant in the 90s called Jake's Deli. I think we do a fairly decent job with putting out a meal, but if no one's there to taste it or try it, it doesn't matter. We were facing a number of small challenges that were actually larger than I thought, but we were having issues with marketing, for one. We had a steady client base, but never seemed to grow. I was having issues with my accounting software package. I use QuickBooks. I pretty much do everything myself, so I was basically using just parts of the QuickBooks system and struggled every year at the end of the year, come tax time, to extract everything from the system, and just a couple other things that could go on that the Small Business Development Center was able to help me with. Starting off with the marketing piece, they came in and did an assessment of the restaurant and the vision that I had for the restaurant, and they helped me, first of all, to develop a website for the restaurant. And after developing the restaurant website, we started a marketing plan, and we implemented that, and we did the marketing piece, I guess, for 6 months or so, and started watching the turnaround, and we went to the next phase of problems, I would say, or issues that I had, and then they brought in an accounting person to help me with my QuickBooks software. The biggest thing that surprised me was the accessibility of the Small Business Development Center and the team of folk, knowledgeable folk that were readily available. Most of the time was just an email or a phone call away, and I would get a response within two days to a week. The help and the availability of the staff was immediate. The wealth of knowledge and the social media packages and the marketing packages that they put together for me has definitely turned things around. Even though I've used the QuickBooks system for several years, the things I'm able to do now and to bring and extract from the program is tremendous. I no longer dread this month of the year when it comes time to prepare for taxes. It's pretty much just push a button now, and I'm ready to go. I would definitely recommend the Small Business Development Center to my fellow colleagues or entrepreneurs, and I have. I've only touched on, I think, or I'm sure, just a small portion of what they have to offer, and I'm not finished myself.